We got the Patti LaBelle sweet potato pie. This is Patty's pie over here, which is right here. This is Grandma's pie right here. And we are going to do a taste test.
Oh, you're doing the...
Well, Leonard, do you want to do the taste test, Leonard?
I can just
Tell
by...
me which one.
Look at
Taste
it.
the taste.
The one that looks good to me is this pumpkin pie.
Leonard, can you please just a little taste? No, okay, I will do it. All right, this is Patty's pie.
Sausages. Full frontal with Samantha Bee. This February on TBS. And I am female as.
Does Patty Pie make you sing?
If I could sing, I would sing. But I don't want to break your camera. Now, this is Grandma's pie. That Patty pie is pretty good. Pretty damn good. It's a very close. That Patty pie is good.
You sure that Patty Pie good?
That Patty pie
Let me hear you
good.
saying Patty.
You sure it's not pumpkin pie?